Hello everyone. Now moving to the question based on time and work. Question number 1. Worker A takes 8 hours to do a job. Worker B takes 10 hours to do a job. Worker A takes 8 hours to do a job. Worker B takes 10 hours to do a job. The same job. How long should it take both A and B working together but independently to do the same job? Please look at the board. Yes, A take hours to do a job where B take 10 hours to do a job. So first you write like this. A can complete an entire work in 8 hours where B can take the same work in 10 hours. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. Now once you know the entire work done completion, so you need to calculate one day work. This is the concept of conventional method. So if you know the one day work, you can easily predict that how much time any person can take to complete the entire job. So if A take 8 hours to complete a job, so what is A's 1 hour work? 1 hour work is 1 by 8. But what is B's 1 hour work? So what is B's 1 hour work? You need to complete 1 hour work first. So this is 1 by 10. Now, so this value is already given to you the question. A complete a certain job in 8 hours, B complete the same job in 10 hours. So you need to calculate what 1 hour's work, 1 day work, 1 minute work, what the unit is mentioned in the question. Based on that, you calculate 1 unit work in each case. So if A complete a job in 8 days, so what is A's 1 hour work? 1 by 8. B's complete a certain job in 10 hours. So what is B's 1 hour work? 1 by 10. Now what is A plus B's if you add both? This equation, if you add, what is A plus B's 1 hour work? So what is A plus B 1 hour work? If you add this value, so in equal to sign you can add this also. 1 by 8, 1 by 10. LCM of this value is 40, 8 5s are 45, 10 4s are 44, so you will get 9 by 40. So this is A plus B's 1 hour work. So now you know what is A plus B 1 hour work, 9 by 40. So if you know the 1 hour work to complete a job, then how much time they take to complete the entire work? Just reverse this value, and you will get the solution. Because this is 1 hour work, so reciprocal give you the completion of entire work. So A plus B complete the whole work in 40 by 9 hour. 40 by 9 hour, and this is my solution. So the important thing is, if you know 1 hour work, 1 day work, inverse is also give you the entire work completion. In my previous class, in my first class, if you just look at this, if A can complete the entire job in n number of days, so what is A's 1 day work? So A's 1 day work is 1 by n. This is the concept. Second, if A's 1 day work, is 1 by n, so how much time A take to complete the job? Just reverse this value, n days. So this concept I am applying here. If you know 1 day work, which is 1 by n and 9 by 14, so what is A's 1 day work? Just reverse this value, you will get answer. So this is the first question. Move to the second question. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. If A alone can complete the same work in 12 days, in how many days can B alone complete that work? What is given to you? A plus B. Yeah, A and B together can complete a work in 4 days, where A alone can complete the work in 12 days. Now you need to calculate how many days B take to complete the work. Look at the board. What is mentioned in the question? A and B complete the entire work in 4 days, where A alone can complete the work in 12 days. So this value is given to you in days. Okay, fine. So this is mentioned in the question. Now the concept is you need to calculate 1 day work first. 1 day work. First you calculate what is the 1 day work of the mentioned value, the given value. So what is 1 day work of A and B? So I am going to calculate A and B's 1 day work. So since A and B complete the entire job in 4 number of days, so A and B's 1 day work is 1 by 4. A complete the entire job in 12 days. So what is A's 1 day work? तो एक दिन का काम कितना हुआ? 1 by 12. Now you have two equation. If you subtract the value, this A and A gone, what is left? B's 1 day work. So you are left with B's 1 day work. So what is my B's 1 day work? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. Take LCM. LCM is 12. 4 3s are 12. 3. 12 1s are 12. 1. You will get 2 by 12. It means 1 by 6. So this 1 by 6 is what B's 1 day work. So B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6. So how much time B take to complete the entire job? Just reverse this value. So B take 6 days. Just inverse this value to complete the entire job. So this is the solution of the question. Again I repeat my concept. That what is given to you, A and B complete work, completion date given to you, A complete the same job in 12 days. The concept is first you need to calculate 1 day work. In conventional method, if you know the 1 day work of any given quantity, any given parameter, you can complete the total work done completion date. So if A plus B 1 day work is what? 1 by 4 because 4 is completion date. What is A's 1 day work? 1 by 12. I want to calculate how much time B take to complete the entire job. If you subtract this equation, you will get A and A gone. So B's 1 day work is what? 1 by 4 minus of 1 by 12. So you will get 1 by 6. This is B's 1 day work, 1 by 6. So how much time B take to complete the job? Just inverse this value. Now, this is the solution. Move to the question number 3. A can do a piece of work in 7 days of 9 hours each, and B can do it in 6 days of 7 hours each. How long will they take to do it working together? Look at the board. Okay, look at the board. What is mentioned in the question? A complete a certain job of 7 days of working. Each day he work 9 hours per day. B complete a job in 6 days when he work for 7 hours per day. Now you need to calculate if they combine together how many times they will take to complete the entire job. So here one thing is important. There is two values given to you, days and hour. Days and hour. So first you calculate the value in 1 unit. So I am just converting my A value in hour. 9 hours per day he is working for 7 days. So 9 into 7 gives 63 hours of working by A to complete a job. Now for B is work for 6 days, 7 hours per day working. So 6 into 7, it means 42 hours working to complete a job. Now I have equation like this. A can complete the entire job in 63 hours, where B can complete the entire work in 42 hours. Now question asks, if A and B together, how much time they will take to complete the entire job? Now idea is you need to calculate 1 day work. So what is A's 1 day work? Since A completes the entire job in 63 days, so its 1 day work is 1 by 63. What is B's 1 day work? Since B completes the entire work in 42 hours, so B's not day, it is hour, sorry. So B's 1 hour work is how much? B's 1 hour work is what? 1 by 42. So 1 by 63, 1 by 42. Now I am going to add, because my parameter this is required. So I am adding both equations. So what is A plus B 1 hour work? So my A plus B 1 hour's work is what? 1 by 63 plus 1 by 42. Now solve this question by LCM. You taking LCM. My LCM for this is 126. 2 times gone, I will get 2. 3 times gone, I will take 3. This is 5 by 126. Since A plus B's 1 hour work is 5 by 26, so how much time they will take to complete the entire job? Just reverse this value. So A and B complete the entire job is 126 divided by 5 hour of working. Or you can convert it into 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 15, 1 by 5 hour. So this is the completion of A and B for entire work. Again, I repeat, you just convert one basic unit, completion date, completion hour. If you know the total work completion, find out the 1 hour work for A, 1 hour work for B, add both, you will get A plus B is 1 hour work. Once you know the 1 hour work, then just reverse this value will give the complete work completion time. Thank you so much for watching this video.